Welcome back to Stocks Telegraph, your go-to source for insightful investment strategies and market analysis. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of uranium stocks, uncovering the top 5 picks that hold immense potential for profitable investing. Uranium, a crucial component in clean energy generation, is gaining momentum in the global energy landscape. As the world embraces cleaner and more sustainable power sources, uranium is set to play a pivotal role. And with these 5 carefully selected stocks, you can position yourself for success in this dynamic market. We'll be examining each stock's performance, growth prospects, and the unique factors that make them stand out. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting your journey, this video is packed with valuable insights to inform your investment decisions. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Your financial success is our priority, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Now, let's explore the 5 best uranium stocks to supercharge your investment portfolio, shall we? Certainly, let's dive into the first stock on our uranium investment journey, Cameco Corporation, trading under the ticker CCJ. Cameco is a pivotal player in the uranium sector, specializing in the supply of uranium for electricity generation. This year, Cameco has been on fire with an astounding year-to-date performance of 64.76%. Even in the past month, it has surged by 10.77%, showcasing its short-term strength. What truly stands out is Cameco's remarkable earnings per share performance. In current year, it has reported an extraordinary EPS growth rate of 185.10%, and it doesn't stop there. The company anticipates a substantial 81.35% growth in EPS for the upcoming year. But that's not all. Cameco's financial revival is in full swing. After seeing a drop in revenues from $1.5 billion in 2018 to $1.2 billion in 2021, it's making a strong comeback. Analysts project that Cameco's revenues will soar to $1.8 billion in 2023 and continue to rise to $2.1 billion. It's essential to note that the demand for uranium was already outpacing supply, and recent events in uranium-producing countries like Niger could further boost uranium prices and the value of CCJ stock. This is just the beginning of our exploration of uranium stocks. Stay tuned as we uncover more opportunities in this exciting sector. Our uranium investment journey continues with our next contender, Denison Mines Corp, trading on the NYSE under the ticker DNN. Denison Mines is a prominent player in the uranium sector, specializing in uranium exploration and development right here in Canada. In terms of performance, Denison Mines has been holding strong with a year-to-date increase of 22.61%. It's not just a short-term surge. Over the past month, it has shown a substantial growth rate of 12.80%. From a financial perspective, Denison Mines exhibits impressive strength with a quick ratio of 3.50 and a current ratio of 3.70. These metrics reflect its robust financial position and ability to meet short-term and current obligations efficiently. When we delve into its earnings, Denison Mines shines even brighter. The company has reported a remarkable quarter-over-quarter earnings per share growth of 100.40%. Analysts are also optimistic about its future, with a mean target price of $2.19, implying substantial upside potential from its current price of $1.41. Denison Mines Corp's flagship project, the Wheeler River Uranium Project, is a standout asset. The company holds a 95% interest in this project, covering a vast area of approximately 300,000 hectares. Situated in the uranium-rich Athabasca Basin region in northern Saskatchewan, it holds significant promise for the future of uranium production. Stay with us as we uncover more uranium investment opportunities. If you're finding this information valuable, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel for more in-depth insights. Now, let's move forward to explore our next uranium stock. Our uranium investment journey brings us to Uranium Energy Corp, traded under the ticker name UEC. This company, along with its subsidiaries, is deeply involved in the uranium and titanium industry. Their operations span across the United States, Canada, and Paraguay. Uranium Energy Corp has been on a roll recently, delivering remarkable performances. Over the past quarter, it surged by an impressive 43.79%. Demonstrating its growth potential. The positive trend doesn't stop there. In the past month alone, the stock has shown an outstanding gain of 23.94%. What's also noteworthy is the significant institutional ownership of Uranium Energy Corp, which stands at 46.10%. This indicates that institutional investors are recognizing the potential of this company in the uranium sector. When it comes to earnings, Uranium Energy Corp doesn't disappoint. The company has reported a staggering 126.60% growth in EPS this year. Moreover, their sales performance is equally impressive, with a quarter-over-quarter increase of 104.00%. One recent development that has captured the attention of investors is Uranium Energy Corp's strategic move. The company closed a purchase agreement with Rio Tinto Exploration Canada Incorporated. This deal includes the acquisition of a portfolio of exploration stage projects located in the highly prospective Athabasca Basin in Saskatchewan, Canada. Specifically, Uranium Energy Corp has secured a 60% equity stake in the Henday Lake joint venture, 100% ownership of the Millikan project, and a 50% equity stake in the Carswell joint venture project. These strategic acquisitions position Uranium Energy Corp favorably in the uranium market, and they are poised to benefit from the immense potential of these projects. We're not done yet. There are more uranium investment opportunities to explore. Now, let's continue our journey into the world of uranium stocks. Our uranium investment expedition continues with Uranium Royalty Corp, identified by the ticker symbol UROY. This corporation specializes as a pure-play uranium royalty company, focusing on the acquisition, accumulation, and management of a portfolio with diversified uranium interests across different geographic regions. Uranium Royalty Corp has been making significant strides in the uranium market. Over the past quarter, the company demonstrated a robust performance, registering a notable increase of 22.93%. In the last month alone, the stock saw substantial growth, marking an impressive 18.31% gain. For those who follow technical indicators, Uranium Royalty Corp showcases positive trends. The stock is trading above its simple moving averages, with the SMA 200, SMA 50, and SMA 20 at 12.50%, 17.94%, and 10.19%, respectively. These moving averages suggest a positive sentiment surrounding the stock's performance. One recent announcement has garnered attention in the investment community. Uranium Royalty Corp revealed the renewal of its at-the-market equity program. This program empowers the company to distribute up to $40 million worth of common shares to the public as deemed fit by the company. The shares offered under this program will be sold at prevailing market prices during the sale period. This renewal indicates the company's commitment to strategic financial initiatives and its readiness to seize opportunities in the uranium sector. As we delve deeper into uranium investments, stay tuned for more insights. If you're finding this valuable, like and subscribe for further uranium stock exploration. Now, let's move on to our next opportunity. Now, let's shift our focus to Energy Fuels Incorporated, trading under the ticker UUUU. This company is making waves in the uranium and rare earth elements market. With impressive sales agreements and promising production plans, it's an opportunity worth exploring. Energy Fuels recently completed the sale of 80,000 pounds of uranium to a major U.S. nuclear utility in the second quarter of 2023, its first delivery under its new portfolio of long-term uranium sales agreements. The sale proceeds of $4.34 million resulted in a gross margin of 46% per pound of uranium. It plans to sell an additional 180,000 pounds of uranium this year, per its supply agreements with U.S. nuclear utilities, for $54 to $58 per pound. This is expected to lead to a gross margin of 46 to 50%. Performance-wise, Energy Fuels has shown significant potential with a year-to-date performance of 20.45% and a strong performance of 23.23% in the last 30 days. Its impressive gross margin of 52.10% indicates robust financial health. The company's earnings per share for this year stand at a remarkable 168.40%, with a quarter-over-quarter EPS growth of 73.20%. The price-to-earnings ratio of 14.52 suggests it could be an attractive investment option. Energy Fuels recently completed the sale of 80,000 pounds of uranium to a major U.S. nuclear utility in the second quarter of 2023, its first delivery under its new portfolio of long-term uranium sales agreements. The sale proceeds of $4.34 million resulted in a gross margin of 46% per pound of uranium. It plans to sell an additional 180,000 pounds of uranium this year, per its supply agreements with U.S. nuclear utilities, for $54 to $58 per pound. This is expected to lead to a gross margin of 46 to 50%. Additionally, Energy Fuels is making significant progress in preparing for conventional uranium and uranium or vanadium mines to resume ore production. The recent sale of the lower priority Alta Mesa ISR project will provide Energy Fuels Incorporated with significant additional cash and working capital, enabling it to ramp up its U.S. industry-leading uranium and rare earth element production. As we wrap up our exploration of these intriguing uranium stocks, we hope you've gained valuable insights into potential investment opportunities in this sector. If you found this information valuable, please take a moment to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments section below, and consider subscribing to our channel for more in-depth analyses. For comprehensive coverage of the stock market and to stay updated on the latest investment trends, be sure to visit our website at stockstelegraph.com. Your feedback matters to us, and we're here to assist you on your investment journey. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to assisting you with more insightful analyses in the future.